made that? That was a freaking. That was a tornado. It had to be, or at least a horizontal funnel. Maybe. Hold on. Pause this.